Hello. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now we're going to AutoZone to get some coolant for the car. I'm gonna flush out the current. I'm gonna flush out the water in the car right now. Then tighten all the bolts in. Make sure the radiator support stable and the radiator stable. Install the AC condenser. Well, that's the plan. Hopefully it doesn't rain. And then after that, hopefully drive it on the road for a little bit. And yeah. And it's raining. Hopefully it stops by the time we get there, but knowing Washington, it'll never stop. Birds pooping all over my car. Bowling. Sometime next week we're gonna get the hood, the bumper, and the fenders together, sand them all down, and paint them together so we have a quality like blend in the front, so like the paint isn't mismatched. And then we're also gonna drive like half an hour to this paint shop to get paint. Hopefully that a quart is enough. Yeah, and hopefully the weather picks up next week and it's way better. It's been raining a long time. I was supposed to go to USPS today, but they're closed. I have the radiator pins that are currently just came in. For now, I'm just gonna zip tie the radiator pins in, and the radiator support together. And we're just gonna free ball it for now. And then once that arrives, we'll put those in and take those off. And the way up. It's a rainbow. Hopefully that means we'll get our car done. See, it was just raining like 5 seconds ago, and now it just stopped. Can we get a Omega Lol in the chat, please? Nope, doesn't work. Get in the zone. AutoZone. Bam! Hey, look at that sun. Oof. And it's raining, and the sun's out. Welcome to Washington. AutoZone. AutoZone. Who wants to go look for the leprechaun man, whatever his name is? So I have to look through all these wires and make sure. I don't know which one connects to what, but soon we'll figure out. There's the AC condenser. I have no idea what the hell this is, but it's pretty sure it's like a pump or a compressor of some kind for something. We're gonna get it attached right now, and then we're gonna attach the front frame to get this thing bolted down. So we got the AC condenser, and then I just zip tied this because I can't find the screws. Well, I'm too lazy to look for them. So now we're gonna put the brackets in and hold it in, and we should be good. Got the AC condenser on. We're gonna hook up the supercharger coolant thingy and then brackets.
Might need a turbo on this thing.
Oh, yep.
I get some
Yep, easy. Hey, what's up, bro?
This is so cool. Wow, it's cool.
Alright, we got the AC condenser installed. Ain't all this crap, but it's starting to rain, so next video we will get driving. Yeah.
I thought that I